Welcome everyone. This is MoneyTreeTrading.com. We are an online education company and we offer courses to learn technical analysis of the equity stocks. Here are the links given for our website, Facebook page, Twitter accounts. You can follow us then. To know more about us, you can visit our website. And if you visit our website, you will find these links at the bottom of the page also. Here, follow us, say YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. That's about us. We are going to review a stock today, which we do regularly on weekly basis. So before we get back to the stock, important to look at the disclaimer. I always suggest to the viewers that please pause this video for a while and read this disclaimer thoroughly. And this disclaimer says that all the information provided in this video presentation is only for the educational purpose and nothing else. So that's disclaimer. Let's get back to our stock which we want to review today. So okay, so this is Hero MotoCorp, which we reviewed in our last review video also. And for those people who are watching this video first time, what we said in our previous review was that Hero MotoCorp on a daily chart was in a downtrend, and which is true even today. But we were expecting it to get into a reversal zone, which is kind of getting completed now. So what we said last time is that from this top, either this stock will go up to this zone 3410 and then fall, or it may directly fall, come down here. In fact, we were expecting one more, which is the last leg of this corrective mode, to hit a lower low, which actually it did yesterday on this last trading session of the week. It just broke this level of 3035 and came down to 3021, so which is good enough for us to count as the next leg. So what we have done is now we have marked this as the lower low, this high, and this last low we have marked as the lower low. So this is our structure to for people who love wave theory. Let's look at the number of legs which we are actually counting here. So we are seeing that this leg started from here. This is, say, my leg A. Say this is my B, and then it came down to leg C. From C it goes to, say, D, and then from D it goes to E, and then this is the F here, and this is the last leg G we were expecting in this stock, which actually kind of got completed on last Friday. So what are we expecting now from this stock is we are expecting this stock to show a reversal from here. That means this upside journey should start, though the structure has not given the confirmation. So we are expecting to have first leg here. There is a strong resistance here, as we have mentioned earlier also, and see some sort of selling here, and then there should be a heavy breakout with heavy volume here in the zone of this area. So that's our expectation in the coming week. For the structure, I mean, if people who want to look at the structure says stock is still in the downtrend, because this is my lower low, then this was the second low, and this is the third low, and this is the fourth low. So the stock is as of today still in downtrend from the structure perspective, but the day this stock breaks this high here at 3350, on that particular day we can say that this stock is moved into an uptrend. So that's our review of this stock, and we are expecting a good reversal from these levels, from these odd levels. In fact, for people who like candlestick patterns, there is a very nice hammer being made here on the daily chart. If you know what's a hammer, you will know that this is having a high probability of reversal signs. But from other perspective, we are seeing stock is actually moving planning to move upwards now from here, though market will tell us basically when. But this is our expectation for the coming days and weeks. Hope you like this video. For people who for people who want to know more about us, about the technical analysis, we have a course. You can go to our website. There's a course enrollment form. you can go to the courses link here. You will find a course, technical analysis of the equity stocks. If you are opening this page on your desktop, then on your right you will see this course enrollment form. You can fill up this basic form, and you will be given the preference to book a seat in the coming batch. Hope you like this video, and thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.